The Berlin Wall wasn't just concrete and barbed wire. It was a global symbol of division. But what if this wall never fell? How would the world look today? After World War II, Germany was split into East and West. The Berlin Wall was built in 1961 to stop East Germans from fleeing to the West. For 28 years, it divided families, crushed dreams, and symbolized the Cold War. When it fell in 1989, it was a moment of hope and unity. But what if that moment never came? If the wall never fell, East Germany would likely remain a surveillance state. People might still live under strict censorship, with limited freedom to travel or express themselves. Meanwhile, West Berlin would continue to thrive as a cultural and economic powerhouse. Global politics would be even more volatile. The Cold War could still dominate, with NATO and the Warsaw Pact locked in a dangerous arms race. A single misstep could spark nuclear disaster. Beyond politics, the human cost would be devastating. Families might still be separated. Artists and thinkers trapped in the East would lose their global voice. How many innovations, songs, or stories would the world miss? The wall falling wasn't just an event. It was a turning point. It reunited families, reshaped Europe, and inspired the world to believe in unity over division. The Berlin Wall's fall reminds us that no division lasts forever. But what if it had stayed? Would we live in a safer world or a darker one? The choice to tear down barriers, literal and metaphorical, is ours to make. Subscribe for more alternate histories and fascinating stories that shaped our world. Let's explore history together.